Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your document outline on Google Docs. So just press this tab and it will show the outline. It's mostly the one that's like that has like a heading on the document. So if I type in projects here, it won't show up, but if I selected this and selected either title, subtitle, heading, etc., it's gonna show up as you can see. But that is it. That's how you can add in outlines on Google Docs. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.